Today I'd like to introduce you to Geratherm's revolutionary new spiroergometry system, the Ergostick. When it comes to spirometry and pulmonary function testing, the Geratherm respiratory team is proud to present its latest medical device, which is not only developed but also manufactured right here in Germany, a claim not many can make. It is not hard to see why the Ergostick is getting a lot of attention in our industry. With its innovative new ErgoFlow sensor, dead space is radically reduced. This means that combined with the Ergostick breath-by-breath gas exchange unit, you have a CPET system that is both safe and easy to use. Geratherm Respiratory is also setting new standards in software. Blue Cherry is a state-of-the-art software system designed to maximize efficiency in either a complex network environment or as a standalone solution. Now let's take a closer look at what the Ergostick and its components can do. By design, it is set up to work hand in hand with the Resting and Stress ECG Pro from Amatec. Together, they form a perfectly coordinated software interface system that is simple, safe and reliable. Once you call up the patient from MediConnect by Fleischacker or the hospital information system for CPET testing, the patient's demographic data are transferred directly into Blue Cherry. Before you start the testing, a gas calibration is required. This procedure is fully automatic. All you need to do is take a new pre-calibrated ErgoFlow sensor out of the packaging and enter the sensor code. Next, you apply the mask, insert the sensor into the mask adapter, put the ECG electrodes in place, attach the blood pressure cuff, and you're all set. Just press the start button. It's that easy. The gas exchange signals are now synchronized and you can take the flow volume measurement. The test is monitored using both tachometers for plateau and expiration time, so quality is guaranteed. You'll notice the symbol bar at the top of the screen. Use the icons to control the procedure and save the measurements. Once you've started the CPET test, patient data will be transferred straight to the ECG software. And the ECG program will start automatically, just like this. Then simply select Stress Test Protocol in the Protocol section here and move to the lower area here to calculate target and limit values. The right side of the screen will assist you with all of the above by telling you whether you've entered everything correctly. You will also find your ECG quality reading here. One of the many advantages of this system is that all 12 ECG leads can be displayed at once throughout the entire test. And if you need to adjust feed rate and signal amplitude, just use the arrow keys on your computer keyboard. Now let's take another look at the left CPET screen. You'll notice that we switched to the load phase with the ergometer giving us a 185 watt reading. Over in the diagram area we have the 9-plot Wassermann chart. And as you can see, the current gas exchange, cardiac circulation and ventilation parameters are still displayed. In addition, you can use the symbol bar on the top of the screen to enter comments, events, blood pressure values or even Borg scale measurements. Not only that, you can store arterial blood gas values and initiate tidal volume measurements too. At this point, you're probably starting to wonder why you haven't got this highly developed system in your practice already. Finally, just click End Test for the CPET test to be stopped and stored. The most recently performed test is now displayed on the screen. We've even developed a special tool to help you evaluate the spiroergometry test. It's called, quite appropriately, the Wizard. This magical Blue Cherry program assists you with target heart rate evaluations, determining thresholds and reading CPET test results. Whatever you need, the Wizard is on top of it, with up to 5 different methods for determining anaerobic thresholds and separate diagram displays for each result. For a better evaluation, your wish is its command. And if that's not enough, there's also the optional Blue Cherry Training Planner. A little something extra we've integrated into the Wizard program to make your life that much easier. The Blue Cherry Training Planner lets you create an individually designed training plan for your patient in just a few minutes. Let's take one last look at what we did here today. The CPET test was performed, all relevant parameters were calculated, analyzed and interpreted, and the complete report was printed out. Now, all you need to do is to neatly sum it up and close Blue Cherry. The patient information automatically returns to the patient file of your hospital information system or MediConnect and is stored away for future use. Simple, safe, state-of-the-art.